boy. Well, they can't be doing that. Well, they can't be doing that. Well, they can't be doing that, boy. Well, they can't be doing that. Them men on the road coming up here and shooting up boy through. Right through them coming up here and shooting up the place. You understand? Only concentrating on men up here. Go down there and lock up them. It's down there, only had to go down there. Down there, only had to go. They said it only up here. Them coming up here right through and shooting up the fucking place, boy. You understand? Right through. And only paying only running people's house. People are no right inside of here. Well, you can't be running people's house yet, so, boy. What kind of mad thing is that, boy? I go and pull you up on Facebook, boy. I go and pull you up on Facebook, boy. Well, they're running in my house, just so. Just so they're running in my house. I can't touch it. I'm throwing my phone just so, boy. Well, I might have you know, the man was so me all the time, you know. The man ain't know nothing, you know. You understand? That my nephew, boy, the man ain't know nothing. What are you going behind the man for? Hey, big man, hello. Hey, come on, my nephew. Hey, big man, Brandon. Could be now, boy. Behave now, boy. Yeah, that's the man ain't do nothing. By trying to hold on your back, the man ain't have no gun. I have it on tape here, the man ain't have no gun, boy. I have it on tape, the man ain't have no gun, boy. I have it on videotape, boy. You understand? So I want to lock up the man for. The man ain't do nothing. The man was home here all the time. The man home here all the time. We don't walk out in front there and go and bust through the hard boys. All you want to lock up my nephew for. All the man ain't do nothing, boy. Watch my roof. Look at. The man ain't do nothing, boy.
Boy. You know, some of the time I wonder if it's a Caribbean thing. You see me I say? Because what? You know, it's like every time police officers come for the people, I mean, them things I say always happen. You see me? So all of this way say happen at one place, the way they call me Carnage area in a Trinidad and Tobago. You see me I say? And I see something happen where I have to really ask this question. You see me I say? So, is it that you have a right to record or video record, me should I say, when incident like them are going on? You see me I say, is it your right as a citizen to do this? You see me I say, no, me if you say you go in at the police, then we are not obstruct them justice when they try to carry out. You see me I say, but if you can from a distance, is it a right for you to be able to record and video what's going on? You see me, in my view, I think it is a right. You see me I say, but I really need to review the law to see if that is alright. You see me I say? Now what really happened in that video is that the police them a look for this young man. You see me I say? The same man where you see right now the last part of the police them a hold on and try to arrest you. So me I say? But the family member and some of the people in the community I look at it and say this man and not him. So you know some of the time you have to really look at it and it might be what they call it misidentity. You see me I say to you? Now it can be a mistake, yes, but there's one thing we can always say to an innocent person is that once you know say you're innocent and you know you're innocent, it don't make no sense about that resist, because at the moment you resist, that is when you throw away your rights. You see what I say to you? So for you know you're clean and you're innocent, just go with them with all of your ID and your personal documents. However, don't you dare allow the person to go alone, or if you are the one that is going, try ask somebody where you know to go with you, because you cannot always trust police officers. Although I'm not saying that you should go against police officers. That's what I said to you, because guess what, you can be put in jail and nobody not there to represent you. So that is the reason why I say go with them or ask somebody to go with you. That's why you are allowed one phone call as scanning to them say by the law. So you're supposed to get through to somebody to know that you're here in police custody. You get what I'm saying to you? So again, if you know that you are clean and you know that you don't do anything wrong, don't resist arrest. Alright? And as for bystanders, some of the time you have to just allow the police them to do them work, alright? And know that a lot of you is going to disagree with what me just say a while ago, but believe you me, it's for the best, you know, because the law is the law, and the law, you can't fight the law. You will never win. Believe that, alright? So anyways, you don't know the thing, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way just say a Dancehall Skilla ENT.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.